Jess is trying to light the sparklers, so making faces. As you can see, we're doing this, but we have got 2 adults present. Please, if you are going to mess with fire, hi Gizmo, Sonic, get outside now! I want one. Jess? I want one. I want 2, I want a double. Look. Oh, I've got it. Look, you probably can't see it very well, but as you can see, there's probably 2 there. I've got 3. Look. Whee! Oh, Jess! That went right past my eye.
I know, sorry.
Right, we are having fun with these, but there is an adult only on the other side of this window there, so we are always safe. Please do not even bother going anywhere near fireworks without an adult at least present, and please let an adult light them, especially if you're under the age of 25 and 8 months. And mine's gone. You can do a Catherine wheel.
I don't like Catherine wheel. Well, Wendy has blue down. First then blue down.
Right, also. Right, stop. How much have you got left? Ow. What are you? You can't blow them out either.
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to take mine inside now because it's about to run out of battery. Literally. But also, what you must do is put them under water so that they cool down. Like that. Okay? And then straight away, go outside. Remember, never ever touch the black bit of a sparkler because it could still be quite hot even though you've rinsed it under a tap. Look, doo-doo-doo, in it goes. Done. These are our fireworks for tonight. We've got a range of different ones. We've got Northern Lights and we don't actually know what these ones are. But then they're like the real fireworks. Mum here, hey Mum, is just taking all the wrappers off. Remember, always let an adult do this in case you hit or cut something you don't mean to.
Looks like an ice cream.
Yeah. Okay.
And give it the palm.
My dad is just about to let one off. I'm obviously on about. Is let one off. Just a practice one now. Right, dog inside. Dad, I don't want her out here. Right, you just hold these 2. Start clicking that and I'm recording, okay?
Take this thing off me then.
Right, no, come on, Dad, let me get you.
Okay, what he's doing.
Gizzy, come in. Molly, she can't be outside. Seriously.
He's trying to get in.
Get her inside. Just in the lounge. I don't care if she likes it or not. Hey, please today. What's this? Gizzy.
Just get away.
Sorry.
Really? You've got 21 of them.
Oh my God! Ooh. Is that it? Yeah.
Did you see it though? Ready? I don't like this.
Right, Dad.
I don't know what any of them
Dad,
are.
something different. Really relax.
We're not reliable. Do you know what it does? Just tell me.
Dad, it's there.
It's there.
You need to put it on the ground, Dad.
Oh, he's a twat, isn't he? I'll light it in my hand and then put it down.
Dad, get something from our brain. Why are you sticking yourself?
Why?
And now I'm something. Thanks for watching this.
If you did watch it.
Yeah, if you did. Be really sad now and watch this. Yeah, we had a really fun night and we hope you enjoyed watching it. We're now just toasting some marshmallows. I've already eaten some of this. Okay, thanks. Oh, comment below if you want us to do any videos on just about anything. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.